Hi everyone, Roxana Hollis here. Today is going to be doing my makeup tutorial and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's begin. I'm going to be using my Purifying Cleansing Lotion from Simple. I've got the face toner and the moisturiser to go along with it. So let's do that and I'll meet you back when I have done that. Right, that's all done. I'm sorry if it's a bit dark, it's a bit late in the night. Then I just use this. I think everyone knows what it is. Just simply to do this around my face. And I'm sorry if I do look up from the camera. I do have the mirror behind it. So I just do that to, like, one, make sure the moisturiser is in my skin, and two, to do what it's supposed to. Then I go with my Wonder 2 lip scrub, and I leave that on for a couple of minutes. Then when I'm leaving this on, I use my green color corrector primer, my Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite, and this one is C6. That's the color I use, along with, I'm dropping things everywhere, my Matte Metallic for my eyes just before I put any eyeshadow on, and my under eye concealer. I'll be back to you once I put all this on my face and you'll see what it looks like. There we go, got it all on. Then I just use this tiny little sponge and I just sort it all out. So back when it's all, there we go, it's all blended in. Then I go with my foundation, which mine is W7 Genius Featherweight Light one. This one is what color? This one is buff, it says on it. So I'll be back once I've done that, because once I put this on, because I put it on with this brush and then I blend it in with my beauty blender. So I'll be back once that is done. Okay, that's all blended in. Next I use just this little bit here to just like wipe the foundation off my eyebrows. And then I use my clear one. It's just a Makeup Gallery, it's a cheap one, brow wax, to set my eyebrows in the style I want them. Just like that. Pretty simple. And then I just use my black pencil and I just colour in my eyebrows. So I just make them, depending on what kind of like eyeshadow and look I'm going for the day, it depends on how dark I colour them in. I use a black one because my eyebrows are quite dark. Just like that. Don't make them stand out too much, but that's that. And then I use my setting powder. Which comes with its own little, I'll just pop that in there and dab the excess into this bit, so there's not too much there. And I do it on my eyes, my chin, and the top of my forehead. I'm going to place it back. While I'm letting that set in my face for a couple of minutes, I then go on to my contour and my blush and highlight. My contour, I'm using the Fairy Vegan one, which is fair and light, and I do use the darker one. So use it as bronzer as well. I always tap off the excess though, so I'll be back once I've done my contour. Then I go in with my blush, which this is one I've been using a lot. It is called Rose Kiss, and it's by Revolution. So I just get a little bit on my brush. As you can see, it's pink. I smile to get it right, and I dab it. That way I don't have too much blush on. I always make sure I got around the same depth on each cheek. I just do that. As you can see, it's quite bright. And then I go in with my Fairy Vegan highlighting palette, which is Natural Glow. And I'll be back once I've done that. That's all done. And then I blend everything in with the setting powder and my contour, which I always do my nose and my jaw because I want them to kind of thin in. And then I just do this to mix it into my face, to blend it in. Especially the blush and contour, I like to blend them together in. Sometimes I accidentally blend it too much in that it looks like it's not there. Then I go to my eyes. And today I'll be using my Eco Eye palette, which is Fairy Vegan, and I'm going to be using kind of go for a brown today on the inside. I'm going to be using chestnut and charcoal. That one's chestnut, and then charcoal's the black. So when I'm doing it on the inner eye, I just use this brush and I plug it in. I don't worry about like it messing up because I just blend it afterwards. I do use my crease brush though, just before I do the creases anywhere, to get it out of place. Make sure there's no creases. And then I use just a little tiny angle brush for when I'm angling the outer eyeshadow. And I always do it to where my eyebrow ends on both sides. So I'll show you when it's done. There we go. Oh, I'm knocking things over now. There we go. I do it like that. And then I use the other side of this brush, which has got this bit, and I plaster in the black. So I'll show you when it's done. See, it's done. And then I use my blending brush just to blend the colour to keep it in where it's supposed to and to make it go together. just like that. I know it's quite dark, but I will have a thumbnail of what it looks like afterwards, so you'll be able to see what it was. Right, that's all done, and then I go to do my eyelashes. Oh, no, not my eyelashes. But I go use this ice highlight. For God's sake, it can't again. It's not wanting to stay up today. Can't blame it, I'm going through some things myself. And I always do it on the corner of my eyes. And where the eyebrow and eyeshadow meet. Just that simple. And then I go with my black Wonder Ink eyeliner from Rimmel London. And I just do it on the little bit of my eye. Like that. I don't do wings anymore. Just like that, so simple. And then I use my eyelash curler and I hold it in for about 20 seconds on each eye. Although I'm doing it less today because I already did it earlier, so. And then I just use my black brown makeup mascara. Just to make my eyelashes a bit more black. And then I go with just a normal matte finishing transparent from Rimmel London. And I just pat it in all over my face. I'm going for brown lips today, so I'll be using my brown lip liner and lipstick. I always put on my lipstick before I put on my lip liner. This one is just semi-brown from the collection. You can get it anywhere. And it dries pretty quickly, so once it's set, it won't remove until you go to wash it off. And then I just outline my lips. And then I just use my finishing spray. And that's how I do my makeup. Oh, my hair's a bit funny. That's my makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. I love you all so much and see you next time.